Hello guys, welcome to another video. It is self-learning tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to design a website, that is register page. Okay, if you really want to learn code, you should copy any of the code from the internet and then you should paste it into your notepad or notepad++. Okay, then save it. First run that one and check what will be the output. In the second step you have to cut few lines of code from that one. Again save it, again run it and check the output. Like that you should do continuously, so surely you can able to learn a piece of code and how to run a project and how to design a particular website. This is a good way to learn a coding, that is self-learning. So here I'll show you how to design a register page. So this is my already designed one website. Here I'll show you. You should copy particular code from that one. From HTML starts and here it ends. Copy this one code. Open notepad++. I'm not using this one. Just save it. .html. Okay, just save and run it once in Chrome. See, this is what the designing using the HTML code and CSS. I will show you how to rectify the errors and how to design clearly. HTML head title name is billing. So if you erase the title, put double slash over here, double slash notepad++, just cut this code, so X, so S. Okay, again go to the browser, refresh it. Okay. See the difference? Control Z, Control S. Before the billing, see, title is notified as a billing over here. Control Z. If you cut the title, billing is not notified over here. So title is not displayed. Like this. This is the way of adding title. Body background is cs.jpg. This is the image name. So this is what the way of adding the background image. See, if I erase this one and save it and run it, see, the image was gone. So see now. Okay, and then division class. Here I'm using table now, so division class, this is the style sheet where I use this one. Link rel equal to style sheet, type x/css, href hyphen reference equal to home.css. I'm using home.css file to adding designs to this one page. Okay, I'll show you later. Division, this is a menu bar I'm using over here. This is the menu bar division. From the entire page we are divide that one. Okay, here you will see that division is menu bar container. There is this two lines, Control X and Control S, and again run it. See, the menu bar is not displayed over here. This is for the coding to add the menu bar. This is what the way of learning how to design a register page. Not only the register page in a website. If you want to learn any programming language, really, this is what a good way, self-learning. Okay, see, mark you billing informations. This is what the code added to display this one. Mark you from left side to right side. If I'll erase this one, Control X, Control S, run it, it won't display any sort of information like this. See, Control Z, now refresh it. See, billing informations. So this is a division class to clear menu bar container. This is the second menu bar. This is the first menu bar to display the billing information, name, title. This is the second menu bar to add this sort of information, that is home, billing, customer, invoice options. To adding those kind of options, you are using the menu bar to container to. Okay. AHF is the way to give the hyperreference link from one page to another page. So I have given the link here: home.html, cc.php, customer.php, index.php. Okay, and then billing database. Everything comes under that one division. Menu bar to container division. So if you will erase this one completely, Control X, Control S, refresh it. See, menu bar is not displayed over here. Control Z, Control S. Leave this one, I will tell you later. Table, here I used a table, that is table border is 1. Here we are having only one border now, so table border is 1, width is 400, height is 300. The table width is 400, height is 300. We can modify this one wherever we want to see. Here I will use 400 and save it. Refresh the page. Check. Table size has been varied. So Control Z, Control S. Okay, Control Z, Control S. See, refresh it. The page has been varied. So call span in the sense. Okay, align center and the background color is gray. Here I used to give 5 call space. I mean that is call span. See. Okay. To enter the details, space has given as a 5. Call span space. Okay. Table row. In the table row, I used to give name, ID, email, project, estimated cost, and paid, date. Here name, input type is text. So you should assign the value for the text field, that is name. Placeholder required in the sense, if you are not entering any values and if you click the submit button, it will ask you to enter the details required. This all other details are required. See, please fill out this field. Okay. Both are using for notification purpose. If we are not using the placeholder, required is enough, but I used here for showing to you guys. I used those things, required and placeholder. Both are placeholder displays the place, enter the name. If you are not entering any field, required display the every fields if you are not entering anything. So here ID, name equal to, you assign the text field as ID, input type equal to text. For email and date, you are having a separate input type, that is email, you are having input type as email, because if you are not entering the proper email, for example ss123@gmail.com, if you just entered ss123.com, or if you are not using the format of the email, it will ask you to enter the proper format of the email. For that purpose only we are using the input type as email. Okay. Date, you are having the separate input type as date. Here you can choose it from the table. No need to enter your date. This is what the benefit of adding the input type as a date. If you are entering as a text, it will take a lot of time and it has a lot of errors to add into your database. So here you can add it easily. See, if I will enter like this. Okay, I'll fill out some things over here. See, please include an @ symbol in the email address. ST is missing at symbol. Okay, this is the right format to add the email address. So here you should use this one. And then finally button, contact number. There is also a input type is called as mobile. If you enter a mobile number exceeds, that is more than 10 digits, it will ask you to enter less than 10 digits. So this is what the input type benefit of mobile. So input type is submit. Button name is save, value is save. This is button save. I have used here. This is the code to design the button. Input type submit, name is save, value is save. Okay, if you click on the save button, it is connected to the database. I will show you in next video how to connect with the database and how to store these details. I hope you all guys understand this one video to how to design a register page. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep supporting my channel.